Hi, welcome once again to another new video. This is SAHOO and you are watching SAHOO's tutorial, and in this YouTube video I will be sharing my experience of qualifying GATE in English literature in 2023. To be honest, it was my first attempt. Last year I did not appear due to some health issues. Yeah, it feels good, okay, when you qualify big exams like NET, SET and GATE. And in this regard, I can assure you that GATE is easier than NET. And if you are a UGC NET aspirant, if you are preparing for UGC NET in English literature, then you are going to crack it definitely. You are going to crack it, hammer it definitely. To be honest, paper 2 of GATE is easier than the paper 2 of UGC NET in English literature. Yeah, it is true that paper 1 of GATE is a little bit different from paper 1 of UGC NET, but if you can score 10 to 15 marks in paper 1 of GATE, then you are going to definitely crack the GATE exam, because you know that you are strong enough in your subject, that is in English literature. So if you attempt 90 to 95 questions correctly in your own subject and you get 10 to 15 marks in paper 1, and then you will definitely qualify GATE. Now let's look at my marks that I have obtained in GATE 2023. So you can see here that I have obtained 54.67 and my all India rank is 509. I have got 54.67 and my all India rank is here 509. And you know that the qualifying marks for general was 52.4 and for OBC it was 47.1, and my GATE score is shown here, that is 400. So if you want me to guide you in this regard, you can just subscribe my channel, that is SAHOO's tutorial. I upload videos daily in this channel, and stay tuned with my channel. You will definitely be benefited when you watch those videos that I upload in my channel. Yeah, it will be beneficial for all of you. So just subscribe the channel. You will get all the videos, you will get all the updates in this channel. So thank you once again for watching the video, and have a good night.